Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm hoping that you guys are all doing really well at home, you're staying safe, and all the lessons have actually been making sense so far. So today I'm going to go ahead and do something a little bit different. I wanted to use a different website, just something that you guys can do on your own and explore. So I found this really cool mathisfun.com website. I used it when I was younger in high school, and it helped me a lot to be able to visualize and see exactly what it is that that the theorems are talking about. Sometimes I feel like it doesn't really make sense, and it just seems so abstract. So for today, I have a part of the lesson where it's you going online, and here's the website. It's mathisfun.com. You're going to go on to the geometry section with circles and theorems. And so we have what we're going to be talking about today. Part of it is kind of just getting to explore these important vocabulary terms. So for today, we're actually going over inscribed angle, a couple of theorems, and that's pretty much it. I'll do another video where we're actually doing some examples on a sheet of paper, and that way you can actually see me doing them. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of explore this with you, so you can see, just have more visuals with this. So we have an inscribed angle is an angle made from points sitting on the circle's circumference. So this is an inscribed angle. It's the angle where these 2 points are on the circle circumference. And so these are called the endpoints. So what we have here is we have angle ABC, and it says when you move point B, what happens to the angle? So right now it's telling me that this angle is 95. So ABC is 95. And no matter where I move this angle, you do notice that the arc never changes, right? So the arc here, it doesn't get bigger, doesn't get smaller. So that's something pretty cool. So it's just an observation. That's something that I'm looking at right now. And so here we have this theorem that explains what just happened. So an inscribed angle theorem is when an inscribed angle A here is half of the central angle 2A. So here it's telling us that this angle is half of this arc, right? Or half of the central angle here. And so that's basically what happened right here. It's no matter what, it's going to be half of the arc AC. And so and the angle A is always, so this is another portion. This is the angle A here is always the same, no matter where it is on the same arc between the endpoints. Angle A is the same, and then this is called the angle subtended by same arc theorem. In your textbook, I believe you have a different, it's called a little bit differently, but I'll go over it a little bit later, and it just shows that these two angles are the same because you see at this angle, right across from it, it's this arc, where here, it's the same arc, right? So that's why these angles are congruent. Let's see. So here it says, one of the examples, it's what is the size of angle POQ? So this one right here. So this is half of the arc. Therefore, we'd have to multiply by 2 to get this portion here. All right, guys. So I'm actually going to go ahead and let you explore this a little bit more on your own, just because I'm running out of time here on my screen. But do go ahead and take a look at it. I think it'll be very helpful, and you'll be able to visualize it, and hopefully it's a little bit more entertaining than just watching me talk about these notes. All right.